And we are back with another episode of the beloved Market Talk. All right. Now, this week we got red. What does red mean? Like we discussed in the last time, in the last video, opportunity. Let's talk about the Bitcoin hitting 80K. Bitcoin's like at 84,000 right now. Great. Bitcoin at a discount. Love it. If you loved Bitcoin at 100K, you should no. If you liked Bitcoin at 100K, you should love it at 80. You should, if you were buying $100 worth of Bitcoin at 100, you should be buying $200 worth while it's at 80. We've seen Bitcoin go through this cycle before. Bitcoin goes through a cycle where it shoots up, then it goes back down. Just like I just remember this just happened. Bitcoin like ran up to like 60K. And then it went down. Bitcoin went down to like 18,000. This was like in 2022. It was somewhere recently. I remember this happening. It went way back down to 18,000 and then proceeded to run up to 100K. The same exact thing is going to happen. It went down to what, 80. If it goes to 60, thank God. Thank you. I'll get more. And then once it runs back up to 200K and everybody else is trying to get in, I'll be making bread off of it. You need to be putting money into Bitcoin right now. Like, this is not financial advice, all right? And then on top of that, they're trying to scare you guys. They're trying to scare people out of the market with all this bubble talk. We are not in a bubble. And they keep on comparing it to the dot-com bubble. They keep comparing this AI boom to the dot-com bubble because of all the, how top-heavy stocks are. But that was not the reason that there was a dot-com bubble. The dot-com bubble was a bubble because the companies that were on the stock market were literally just companies that people made like just out of their garage, just DalesTools.com, Joe's Leaves.org, stupid stuff like that with no real businesses. It was basically like NFTs on the stock market. What's going on right now is real innovation, real companies, NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, OpenAI, Anduril. These companies are doing real stuff. If they fail, the world fails. This is not a speculation play. This ain't no bubble. Okay, we got Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang. They keep on talking about AI data centers in space. That's the dream. Because you can have infinite cooling, like better cooling, just by the vacuum of space, and then you get infinite power from the sun. They are key. The talk is starting to get sci-fi-ish because the innovation is not a joke. They are pushing for this stuff. These billions of dollars that are going around, maybe it may look like it's going in a circle, but NVIDIA has actual buyers lined up. They have buyers. They have a backlog over $500 billion of people who are trying to buy stuff that don't even exist yet. They can't even make the stuff fast enough. This is real innovation, real stuff pushing. They keep on talking about this bubble to scare you out of your spot. Don't get scared out of your spot. That's what they keep on trying to say. Bubble this, bubble that. NVIDIA just crushed earnings. Meta crushed earnings. These companies just crushed. Well, actually, Meta did not crush it. They had to pay a certain little tax bill. But if they didn't have to pay that tax bill, they would have crushed earnings. These companies is crushing earnings. They making money. Money is being made. It ain't no bubble, bro. Don't get scared out of your spot. You need to be investing during this time. You're gonna look back during this time and say you missed out. You should have been investing. All right. My job is to make more people I need to get at least every human on the planet get $1 in the market. If I can get you put $1 in the market, I've succeeded. That's my job. Like, you just need to get in the market. You just need to get in there and start making money because the government assistance, when you're retiring for government assistance, that's out. That's out. They're not that's running out. Social Security may run out in the next 15 years. When people retire, that's it. There is no government assistance no more. You gotta rely on yourself. You gotta make way for yourself, bro. So NVIDIA, the whole stock market is down right now. Why? Because it ran up. It was too heavy. Okay, there's going to be pullbacks. Great. We love it. We love the pullbacks. Great access on discount. And Black Friday coming out next couple weeks, and we got Black Friday early. So stay invested into the market. Keep investing during this downturn. Don't let them trick you out of your spot. Ain't no bubble. It ain't no bubble. We got real companies doing real stuff, real chips, real AI. This is real business, real deals, real money, and it's government backed on top of all that. If these companies fail, like Nvidia, Microsoft, OpenAI, Meta, these companies fail, the world fails. That's how serious it is. This is not a bubble. It's not an AI bubble. It's not no .com bubble. Do research on a .com bubble. It's completely different. They keep on trying to scare people out of their spot, bro. Keep investing and stay locked in, and don't let the news mess with you, bro. Keep your eyes on read the in between the lines. Don't read the headlines. Do your own research. All right, that's gonna be it for this episode of Market Talk. Go copy your Bitcoin hat. If you rocking with Bitcoin, go copy some Bitcoin drip on the DegenDepot.shop website, and you can go in there and actually we got free resources on building credit, building business credit, structuring your credit report so you can get high funding, all that, and it's free. And we're going to be making like more like investing and stuff like that, like, you know, more resources for people that's going to be free, bro. We're trying to change the world with financial literacy. Don't let them trick you out of your spot. Invest into the market now.